Here's the sales report of a staff in a store. Staff members will get 5% commission if they achieve their sales target of 1,500. If they haven't achieved their sales target, they will have no commission. We'll write commission or no commission in each row. Place your cursor in the cell where the result will be and click the insert function. Search for the if function, which is in the logical category, and then fill its arguments. The if function makes a logical test and returns a result which is true or false. Here the logical test is sales is more than or equals to 1,500. If the result of this logical test is true, we write commission. Write commission between quotations. If the result of the logical test is false, write no commission, also between quotations. The result in the first cell is no commission. We can see the other results by dragging the cell or the formula down the cells. Now we'll calculate the value of each commission. Place your cursor in the cell and click the insert function and search for the if function. Here the logical test is the same, which is the sales is over than or equal to 1,500. If this value is true, we'll multiply the sales by 5%. If the logical test is false, we write 0. They have no commission. In the first case, there is no commission. In the normal case, the if condition or if function has one condition. But if we have more than one condition, we can use and or functions. In the insert function, we'll search for the if function and write the arguments. Here we'll add the and function. We have two conditions. The first one is sales is more than or equals to 1,500, and the other condition is the working years is more than or equals to 2 years. If this condition is true, the commission will be 10%. Multiply sales by 10%. If the logical test here is false, we have another condition, which is if the sales is more than or equals to 1,500, then the commission will be, here is the case, the working years is less than 2 years. Then the commission will be 5%. Commission multiplied by 5%. Otherwise, the commission is 0. Here is the result, and drag the cell to see the other results.